Hey guys, alright, today I'm going to do a video on grafting scion wood to get new varieties of apples going on my apple tree. So I'm using some of the scion wood that my dad sent me in the mail. Thanks, Dad. We got Rubinet, Liberty, and Melrose. And basically I like these little aluminum clips because you can score into them the name of the variety and hang it up on the tree, and it'll never get washed off or anything, so that way you can keep track of what you grafted. I got this super easy grafting tool which makes the female and the male cuts of the graft, and then I have some grafting tape to wrap it all up afterwards, and then I have this prune sealer to touch up any open exposed areas. So here's all my supplies. Alright, let me go get the ladder and let's get to work. Alright, so the first variety I'm going to graft is the Melrose. So I got some little stubs here selected to graft onto, and you want to make sure that the stub that you're grafting onto is the same size or slightly larger to make a good connection. So this one's a little bit larger. I'm going to line the tool up here and make a cut. Okay, so it makes a nice female ended cut there. Or I'm sorry, that's the male ended cut. And see, I kind of messed that one up. It's a little crooked, so I'm going to cut it again. There we go, that's better. So you just slide it right on there, and as you can see, it stays up on its own because of this grafting tool's got its little attachment in there. So now I'm going to put some of the tree wound paste around the exposed parts. It's just nasty stuff. It's kind of like tar. You don't need too much. Just a little bit. Alright, and now I'm going to take the grafting tape and wrap it up. I'm going to just pre-cut myself a piece here. Let me just pop that off for a second. You want this stuff to be really tight so it makes a good connection. The wind is going to be blowing on this thing, so you don't want it to fall apart. And with the slightly oversized bottom like this one, you want to make sure that the two bark layers touch each other from the top part of the cut and from the bottom part of the cut, because that'll help it regrow. And there we have it, our first graft. So it's pretty easy. I'm going to go through and do a whole bunch more and get this fruit tree full of the 3 different varieties of fruit, so it'll just keep producing apples for many years to come. So again, you can do this super easy. You can order this tool on Amazon. You don't really even need this, honestly. This just kind of simplifies everything, but you could do it just with a grafting knife the old-fashioned way, and that works great too. But it's a great way to revive your fruit trees. So if you like homesteading and permaculture, then tune into my channel, and I'm going to be putting up a lot more videos. So thanks for tuning in. Talk to you later. Alright, as you can see, this apple tree is pretty old. I've already done quite a bit of pruning on it over the last year and a half since I bought the property. It was super overgrown, and I'm not sure of the variety, but it does produce some apples. So you can see I've already trimmed it, and I left a bunch of stubs up there to graft my scion wood, and the chickens are very interested in what's going on.